Hello guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to build a clock in Python. So first you need an ID like Python installed, and then after that you can get done, and also Python, which is obvious. Okay? Then first we have to go into the importing module. So tkinter, from tkinter you have to import everything, and from tkinter.ttk also you have to import everything. Then from time, to show the actual time, you have to import strf time. Now, let's get into the actual coding part. These modules are required to do this, and then if any of them is not working, I'll just move my video so you can actually see. You can just type in pip install, and then whatever module is not working. So that is that, and I'll just adjust my video to be over there. Okay, so first you have to create an actual window to show the clock on. So tk is just a code that says, hey, just create a window. That's it. So I'll just name that tk, like calling that function as root, and then I'll name the window as clock. I'll just show you. See here, it is named clock. That is what I mean by this. Okay, now let's get into defining time. This is what will actually show the time in the clock. So first, str of time, hour, minute, second, and am or pm. These s, m, and s mean that, and then percentage is put to make it understand that in the time method. And then string is just a name for this. And then I have to configure this, and I'll say the text is equal to string. String is this. Okay, then we have to refresh the clock, otherwise it will just say the time at which it was run at first. So we obviously in a working clock, so we just say 1000 is a refresh rate. 1000 means 1 second, so I will say my clock to refresh after every 1 second it has to refresh. Okay, then label is equal to label root, and all this stuff is actually the packing of what we have done. So packing is just a way to show things in the tkinter module in the window. So what I've done is here this I'll just give a name to this, and then label root. Root is actually the name of the window. I mean, like the inside the code, it is the name of the window. And then a font, background and foreground are just how I want it to look like. So let me open this again. Font is BS digital and italic. I want it slightly. Okay, I want it slightly slanted. That's right. And then DS digital. DS digital is actually an imported font. I have downloaded it from the internet. It is actually a great font. If you want, you can download it from the internet. I'll try to put a link in the description. Okay, so that's about that. Let me close it so I can run it again. And then that's it. And a black background and foreground is silent. The size of the font is 80. And then we get into the actual packing. This is how the packing should be done, and this is the actual packing. So label dot pack. And anchor is center is, I don't think it does much, but then when we maximize the window, we really can see that it is really in the center. Okay, so that is about that. And then time, we call the time function, which we have written here, to appear in the window. And then main loop is kind of a way to show say that, hey, I have created this window, you need to show it. So if you just cut main loop out and all that, it says process finished with x equals 0, but then no window appears. That is because you haven't had a main loop, and main loop just says, hey, just add the window over there. Okay, so I'll just put the main loop back, and let's run it. And there it is, our own clock using Python. The main thing I did is I wanted to see the seconds, and then in Windows 11 when I upgraded, it doesn't actually show the seconds. It just shows like the date and stuff. It doesn't show the seconds. So that is why the main point I did this, and I guess it will be helpful for you too. So that's it, guys. See you next time, and please subscribe. It is free. It is free, and it helps me out a ton. Please subscribe and like. Bye.